A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss about our surface areas and volumes. Subtopic is right circular cone. So in the right circular cone, lateral surface area is curved. Here this is the lateral surface area. This is the lateral surface area. It is curved. And the base is circle. Here base is the circle. In the given figure, the base is circle and lateral surface area is curved. A line joining the center of the circle to vertex of the cone. Here a line joining the center of the bottom circle to its vertex. This line is called height. This line is called height. So, and is also perpendicular to its radius. This line is perpendicular to its radius. So here this line is called height. It is perpendicular to its radius. And this slope line is called slant height. And this slope line is called slant height. And so this is height. This is slant height. This is radius. So here slant height formula is square root of r square plus h square. R means radius, h means height of the cone. Here L means slant height. So right circular cone curved surface area formula is pi r L, and total surface area of the cone is pi r into L plus r, and the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. It is the 1/3 volume of cylinder. It is the 1/3 volume of cylinder. This is our example 7. The question is find the slant height and vertical height. Here L is question mark, H is question mark of a cone with radius 5.6 centimeters. Here radius is 5.6 centimeters. Curved surface area is 158.4 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area. Top of the cone area is curved surface area, 158.4 centimeters square. So in right circular cone, curved surface area of the cone is formula pi r L. Substitute these values in the formula. So curved surface area is 158.4 is equals to pi value is 22/7 into r is here radius is 5.6 centimeters into slant height L. So 7 0.8 times 5.6. So 158.4 is equals to 22 into 0.8 into L. Transpose these terms. So L is equals to 158.4 by 22 into 0.8. Here 22 sevens are 154. Remaining 4. So 22 twos are 44. So into 0.8 is equals to L. So L is equals to 7.2 into 10 by 0.8 into 10. We have to remove these decimal points. So that is equals to 72/8. Result is 9 centimeters. Here slant height is L 9 centimeters and radius is 5.6 centimeters. So L formula, slant height formula is square root of r square plus h square. Transpose this square root. So 81 is equals to here 5.6. This is the radius. So 5.6 square is equals to 31.36 plus h square. Here square root transposes to square. So 9 nines are 81. So minus 31.36 is equals to h square. So h is equals to square root of 49.36. So h is equals to 7.05 centimeters approximately. So 7.05 centimeters. This is the approximated value of height of the cone. So here slant height is 9 centimeters and height is 7.05 centimeters approximately. So this is our example 10.3. Fourth question. The cost of painting the total surface area of a cone at 25 paise per centimeter square. So charges 25 paise per 1 centimeter square. So the total charge of painting the cone is 176 rupees. So find the volume of the cone. This is our question mark. Find the volume of the cone and its slant height is 25 centimeters. Slant height means this is the slant height. This is the slant height. So L is 25 centimeters. Here total painting cost is 176 rupees and charges are 25 paise per 1 centimeter square. So here total painting cost is 176 rupees. So charges are 25 paise per centimeter square. So means 0.25 rupees per centimeter square. Here x is the total surface area. So x into 0.25 is equals to 176 rupees. So x is the total surface area. So x is equals to 176 by 0.25. So two decimal points are there. Multiply numerator and denominator with 100. So 100 by 100. So that is equals to 176 by 25. 25 704 times 176 So total surface area is equals to 704 centimeter square. Here total surface area is 704 centimeter square. So total surface area formula is pi r into L plus R. So L means slant height, R means radius. So that is equals to, here total surface area is 704 is equals to pi value 22 by 7 into R into L value is 25, already given in that problem. So plus R, transpose these 22 by 7. So 704 into 7 by 22 is equals to 25 into R into R square. Here 22 32s are 704. So 32 7s are 224 is equals to 25R plus R square. So here transpose this 224. So 0 is equals to R square plus 25R minus 224. So R square, the factors of 224 is 32 7s are. So R square plus 32R minus 7R minus 224 is equals to 0. Here R is common. Remaining terms are R plus 32. Here minus 7 is common. Remaining terms are R minus into minus plus. So 32 7s are 224 is equals to 0. Here R plus 32 is common term. Remaining terms are R minus 7 is equals to 0. Here R is equals to minus 32. R is equals to 7. We have to consider always positive value. So R is equals to radius is 7 centimeters. So here slant height is 25 centimeters, radius is 7 centimeters. So volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here L is the slant height. So slant height formula is r square plus h square square root of. Here slant height is 25 centimeters. Substitute the value instead of L is equals to r is here 7 centimeters plus h square. So square root transpose to square. So 25 square is equals to 7 square plus h square. That is equals to 7 7s are 49 plus h square is equal to 625. So 625 minus 49 is equals to h square. So result is 576. Square transposes to square root. So height is 24. 24s are 576. So h is 24 centimeters. So here height is 24 centimeters. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So here h is 24. So pi is equals to 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7 into height is 24. So here 7 7 cancel, 3 8s are 24. So that is equals to 22 into 7 8s are 56. So result is 1232 centimeter cube. So this is the final result. So finally volume of the cone is 1232 centimeter cube. This is our example 6. A corn cob shaped like a cone. So this is corn cob shaped like a cone. Has the radius of its broadest end as 1.4 centimeters. Here radius of the base is 1.4 centimeters. So it is shaped like a cone. So base of its radius is 1.4 centimeters and height as 12 centimeters. So here the height of the corn cob is 12 centimeters. Height is 12 centimeters. So each 1 centimeter surface of the cob carries 4 grains. So here each 1 centimeter surface carries 4 grains. Each 1 centimeter surface of corn cob carries 4 grains. Here 4 grains. 1 centimeter surface carries 4 grains. So find how many grains you would find in entire cob. Find how many grains you would find in entire cob. This is our question mark. Find the number of grains in that given corn cob. So here base of its radius is 1.4 centimeters and height is 12 centimeters. So curved surface area is pi r L. So here L is missing. Here slant height is missing. But height of the cone and radius of its base is already given in the problem. So here L formula is square root of r square plus h square. Here r square means 1.4 square plus h square means 12 square. Here 1.4 square means 1.96 plus 12 are 144 square root of. So summation of this result is square root of 145.96. So square root of 145.96 result is slant height is 12.08 centimeters. So here curved surface area formula is pi r L. Pi means 22 by 7. Here radius of its base is 1.4 centimeters into slant height is 12.08. So that is equals to 22 into 7 2s are 14. So 0.2 times into 12.08. That is equals to 53.2 centimeter square approximately. So in each 1 centimeter square can cover 4 grains. For 53.2 centimeter square can cover 53.2 into 4 grains. So that is equals to 213 grains approximately. So here 1 centimeter square covers 4 grains. Here 1 centimeter square covers 4 grains. For 53.2 centimeter square can cover 53.2 into 4 grains. That is equals to 213 grains approximately. This is the final result. This is our exercise 10.3 sixth problem. The height of the tent is, here the height of the tent is 9 meters. Its base diameter is 12 meters. Here base diameter is 12 meters means radius is diameter by 2. That is equals to 24 by 2. Radius is 12 meters. Here height is 9 meters and radius is 12 meters. Here slant height is question mark. So the cost of canvas required is also question mark. So find the cost of canvas cloth required. Cost is 14 per meter square. So here slant height is question mark. So cloth required is also question mark. So here L is the slant height. Formula is square root of r square plus h square is equals to r square means here radius is 12 meters. So plus height is 9 meters. So 12 square plus 9 square, that is equals to square root of 144 plus 81. So that is equals to 225. 225 square root of 225 result is 25 meters. Here length is 25 meters. Curved surface area formula is pi r L. 22 by 7 into r means 12. Radius is 12 into slant height is 25 meters. So that is equals to 565.71 meters square. So cost of the tent. This is first question. This is our second one. Cost of the tent is per 1 meter square cost is 14 rupees. So per 565.71 meter square cost is 567.71 into 14 rupees. So that is equals to 7919.94, 7919.94 paise. So it is approximately 7920 rupees. So cost of the tent is 7920 rupees. Here slant height is 25 meters and cost of the tent is 7920 rupees. Okay, my dear students, hope you understand. In exercise 10.3, exercise 1, 2, 3 and exercise 10 as your homework. If you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.